Hello everyone, welcome to all. Subject Industrial Engineering, Chapter Break-Even Analysis, Topic Numerical based on break-even analysis. So students, today we are going to discuss a topic which name as numerical based on break-even analysis. So let's start. Question 1. This question is asked in GATE 2005. Please read question. A component can be produced by any of four processes 1, 2, 3 and 4 process. Process 1 has a fixed cost of rupees 20 and variable cost of rupees 3 per piece. Okay. The process 2 has fixed cost rupees 50 and variable cost of rupees 1 per piece. The process 3 has a fixed cost of rupees 40 and variable cost of rupees 2 per piece. Process 4 has a fixed cost of rupees 10 and variable cost of rupees 4 per piece. If the company wishes to produce 100 pieces of component, from the economic point of view, it should choose option A process 1, option B process 2, option C process 3 and option 4 process 4. Okay. So here in the question we are find out which process is the best from economic point of view. So apply the concept of a break-even analysis and apply concept of total cost. If we are find the total cost of all process, if we find out the total cost is nothing but fixed cost plus variable cost, if you find out the total cost of all four processes and compare the minimum total cost of all of them, if the any one of process is minimum total cost compared to other one, those minimum total cost process is known as a economic point of view process. So students, let's start. Here we are written as process and second column written as a fixed cost, variable cost and total cost. Process 1, what is the fixed cost of process 1? Here the process 1 has a fixed cost is 20 rupees 20 and variable cost is 3 rupees per piece. Second process, it is a given data. The process second has fixed cost is rupees 50 and what is the variable cost is 1 rupees per piece. Okay. Process third, the fixed cost is rupees 40 and variable cost is 2 rupees per piece. And process 4, the fixed cost is rupees 10 and variable cost is rupees 4 rupees per piece. Okay. So process 1, the total cost is nothing but a fixed cost plus variable cost. So the total cost of process 1 is a fixed cost is 20 rupees plus variable cost is 3 rupees per piece into how many component has been produced. It is 100 pieces are produced is given in the question. So multiply by 100. So calculate this, 300 plus 20 is nothing but 320 rupees. And process second, the total cost of process 2 is fixed cost is 50 rupees plus variable cost in rupees per unit into how many pieces are produced 100 is nothing but 150 rupees is the total cost of second process. And what is the total cost of third process? 40 rupees is a fixed cost plus variable cost is nothing but a 240 rupees. And fourth process, total cost of fourth process is fixed cost plus variable cost into number of component produced is a 410 rupees. Compare the all of the total cost of all four process. Which one is minimum? The 150 rupees is a minimum. So hence the process second is a best in the view of economic point of view. So company has been selected the process second to produce 100 component because the process 2 has a minimum total cost. So here the what is the answer is the process 2 is a right answer. Clear to all? Okay student. If in the question ask what is a process is selected the economic point of view. Economic point of view means that minimum total cost. First of all, we are find the total cost of all four process and select the minimum total cost, and those process whose total cost is minimum is the best process in the economic point of view. Okay, move in the question 2. Please read question 2 very carefully. A standard machine tool and a automatic machine tool are being compared for the production of component. Following data refer to the two machine. First machine is a standard machine tool and second machine is a automatic machine tool, and both machine tool of component has been produced. The setup time for a standard machine tool is a 30 minutes and setup time for an automatic machine tool is a 2 hours. Machining time per piece for a standard machine tool is 22 minutes and machining time per piece for an automatic machine tool is 5 minutes. Machine rate for a standard machine tool is 200 rupees per hour and machine rate corresponding to automatic machine tool is rupees 800 per hour. Okay student. The break-even production batch size above which the automatic machine tool will be economical to use will be. Here in the question, which term is find out? Here in the question asks the component which has been produced corresponding to a break-even point. Okay, the break-even production batch size is asked in the question. Okay, in the previous topic, in break-even chart topic, I was discuss about a break-even chart and break-even point. At a break-even point, the total cost of a two process has been cut at a point. This point is known as a break-even point. Okay, so here the same concept is applied. The total cost of standard machine tool has been calculated and the total cost automatic machine tool has been calculated, and compare the both the total cost at corresponding break-even point and find out the Z, which has been the number of component produced corresponding to break-even point. Okay student, clear the concept? So let's calculate. Let assume let Z is a number of component produced corresponding to break-even point. Okay student, so here at the break-even point the total cost at break-even point total cost of producing Z component by a standard machine tool is equal to the total cost of producing a Z component by automatic machine tool. So this is a main concept which has been applied in this question. By the help of this concept, we are calculate your answer. So what is the total cost of producing a Z component by standard machine tool? So in the question, the setup time is given. What is the setup time? The setup time is 30 minutes. Okay. Here the machine rate is given in per hour. So it is converted into a hour. So divide by 60 is converted into hour. It is a setup time. And what is a machining time per piece? The machining plus machining time is 22 minute per piece. Okay, minute per piece. And how much piece has been produced? It is a Z piece has been produced. So here this is calculate in terms of time. This is a setup time and machining time. Okay, this is time and multiply by machining rate of standard machine tool. What is a machining rate? Machining rate is 200 rupees per hour. Here this minute is converted into hours, divided by 60, because here the machining rate is given in terms of hour. This hour to this hour is cancelled and rupees is remaining, so total cost is in terms of rupees are find out. Okay, so calculate this term. So 1 by 2 into 200 plus 11 upon 30 into 200, okay, into Z. So 100 plus 220 upon 3 into Z. Okay, it is a total cost producing a Z component by standard machine tool. Same as calculate the total cost of producing a Z component by automatic machine tool. What is the setup time? It is a 2 hour plus machining time per piece is 5 minute per piece, and how much piece has been produced? It is a Z and it is in minute, so convert into hours, so 5 into convert into hour and multiply by machining rate. What is the machining rate of an automatic machine tool? Is given in question as 800 rupees per hour. This hour and hour is cancelled, so total cost in term of rupees calculate. Okay students, here the 1600 rupees plus 5 into 800 upon 60 into Z. Okay student, clear to all, and calculate this term. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8 and 0, 4 5s are 20 and 200 divided by 3 into Z plus 1600. It is a total cost of producing a Z component by automatic machine tool, and compare the both total cost. Equate the both total cost. Here in this equation the Z is unknown data, so calculate this equation and find out what is a Z. So Z is out 225 component is your answer. So in this question, what is the answer? Is a 225 component. So match in the 225 component is your correct answer. So what is the option? Correct option D is your correct option. Okay student, what is your correct option? D. In the D option 225. So the 225 component is a break-even production batch size above which the automatic machine tool will be economical to use. Okay student, this component is a corresponding to a break-even point. If we are draw the break-even chart of these two process, so let's draw. What is a setup? What is a fixed cost? Fixed cost of a standard machine tool is 100 rupees. So here it is 100 rupees, and draw this total cost of standard machine tool. Okay, and what is the fixed cost of automatic machine tool? Is a 1600. Okay, here it is 100 and it is a 1600. This is represent as a standard machine tool, and this represent as a automatic machine tool. Okay, this These two curves, the total cost of standard machine tool and automatic machine tool, cut at a point. This point is known as a break-even point, and above this point at the right side of this point, the total cost of automatic machine tool is lower as compared to total cost of standard machine tool. So that means the total cost of automatic machine tool is less than the total cost of standard machine tool. So after the break even point, the automatical machine tool is economical point of view. The automatic machine tool is best after the break even point. So here the question, in the question the examiner asked the break even production batch size above which the automatic machine tool will be economical to use. Okay, so in the question simply the break even point production is asked. Clear to all student? Okay, thank you so much for watching. To be continued in next topic. In next topic we will discuss about some question about the margin of safety, contribution margin and break even point. Okay.